Hello friends, today we talk about Article 351. Article 351 of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles for the promotion of Hindi language. It lays down the duty of union or the national government to promote the spread and development of Hindi. Duty of the union. Article 351 states that it shall be the duty of union to promote the spread of Hindi language, develop Hindi so that it may serve as a medium of expression for all the elements of the composite culture of India, secure its enrichment by assimilating without interfering with its genius the forms, style and expressions used in Hindustani and in the other languages of India specified in 8th schedule. Draw wherever necessary or desirable for its vocabulary, primarily on Sanskrit and secondarily on other languages. Enrichment of Hindi. The article emphasizes that Hindi should be enriched by incorporating with the elements from other languages while preserving its unique character. This includes drawing from Sanskrit, a classical language, and other languages spoken in India. Third point is medium of expression. The goal is to ensure that Hindi can serve as a medium of expression for the diverse cultural elements of India. It should be accessible and representative of country's rich linguistic heritage. So it can be summarized that Article 351 recognizes the importance of Hindi as an official language of India and outlines the Union's responsibility to promote and develop it while respecting the linguistic diversity of the nation.